Are you a lover of glitter vinyl? Have you ever wished that you could change your colors in Design Space to see how your projects look in glitter colors? Well, guess what? Now you can. The first thing you'll do is go to your internet browser and search free pick and then whichever color you want. So I searched free pick pink glitter. Then in the search results, go with the first option. And here you're going to get loads of different pink glitter images. So choose whichever one to you looks the most similar to the vinyl that you're actually using and download. Okay, now we're going to head over back to Design Space and upload that image. So as usual, you'll just browse. It's there in my downloads folder. Open. So here you will probably get this error message, but you can just ignore it. Then select complex. Ah, fantastic. Design Space has crashed. Is anyone else having loads of trouble with Design Space right now? Give me a minute, I'm gonna restart things.
Much later.
Okay, we're back. So let's go back to where we were. Upload image, browse, find it in your downloads, select complex, fingers crossed it's not gonna crash. Hit continue. Okay, and then again, click continue, nothing to do on this screen. Right, you need to save it as a print then cut image. If you save it as a cut, it's just gonna keep the shape and we actually want the glitter image. So print then cut, save. Wow, it's worked. Okay, it didn't crash that time. So I'm just gonna select it and insert to my canvas. And all you have to do now to see what your project might look like in a glittery color is to just layer the shape that you want to be in a glitter color. So for example, I've got this bit of text hiding back here. So let me bring that to the front. I'm gonna layer it on top of my glitter. And then all you do is you select both layers. Remember to make sure you only have 2 layers. We're gonna use the slice function. That won't work if you're using more than 2 layers. Slice is active for me because I've just got the text and the glitter. Slice. How cool is this, guys? Look, now there is the text, but in a glittery color. How awesome. And don't forget that when you now go back to your uploaded images, it's going to be there as a previously uploaded image. So if you've got particular colors that you know you like working with, just find a similar color on free pick. They'll all be here in your library for you to use whenever you want to play around with your project and see how it might look. There we have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this new hack that I've discovered and it helps bring an extra bit of sparkle to your projects. Can't wait to chat to you in my next video. Let's hope no more Design Space drama then. Till then, I sincerely wish you happy crafting.